Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Taisha. Hope you're having a wonderful day so far. Last video I asked you guys if you wanted to see a Sephora haul and a lot of you guys said yes. So here I am with today's video. It's a Sephora haul. I have never ever done a Sephora haul in my channel or literally in my whole entire life. I do not shop at Sephora. I am not a Sephora girl. I'm an Ulta girl. Let me know in the comments below what you are. Are you a Sephora girl or an Ulta girl? I feel like in this channel we're mostly all about Ulta, you know, all about that inexpensive makeup, because let me tell you, I don't care if they give you a 20% off coupon, you don't really save that much, especially because of taxes. It all equals, like, I don't know, it might be like a scam, because I don't know guys, I don't know, I'm not even gonna get in trouble here. I just do not think the coupon code is really that worth it. I mean, it's good, but you still do not save a lot of money. I don't know, I'm telling you, I'm just an Ulta girl. I'm an Ulta girl. I'm all about affordable makeup, and yeah, but today's video, I did decide to try out more high-end makeup, you know, because I know a lot of people out there love their high-end stuff, and you still want to see what's worth your money, or even you might be saving for something and see what, you know, it's worth the money. So here I am with today's video, and yeah guys, I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get started by talking about my makeup. I went ahead and showed you guys how I got this eye look. I used one of the products I bought, so let's get started with that. I purchased the new Huda Beauty palette. This is not new, but this is new for me. I've been wanting this palette ever since it came out, but you guys, I just couldn't spend the $65. I think this is how much it cost. Of course, I got it on sale, but still, $65 freaking dollars for an eyeshadow palette. I was just mind blown. But this is such a beautiful palette. It comes with, I think, 16 or 18 gorgeous shades. So it says right here, including 10 buttery mattes. Okay, it says 4 multi-reflective shadows and 2 pressed glitters, and then right here it says 1 pressed pearl and a concealer. So I started, of course, by priming my eyes. I used my favorite paint pot by Marc. It's the soft ochre paint pot. I feel like that makes the eyeshadows more intense and then make them stay in your eye. So I went ahead and did that, and then I mixed in, I believe it was Play and Secret. I mixed those and I applied it in my crease, and in the screen I'll put the brush I used because right now I do not remember. So once I blend that out in my crease area, I went ahead, I believe, and went in with Tickle and Raw. Whoa, these names, you guys, are very sexual. Well, I guess that's what it's called, a nude palette, but anyways. So yeah, I went in with those 2 gorgeous shades just to intensify my eye just a little bit more. Okay, and then once I did that, I believe I cut the crease, and for that I used the concealer in this palette. It's an okay formula. Personally, me, since I already have a lot of makeup, I have what I need. I really could have gone without this concealer shade, and she could have put in a really deep brown color, or even just a black, something to intensify a little bit more. So anyways, so once I cut that crease, I went in with the shade Infatuated, and I tried it with a brush first. It wasn't working, so I just went in with my finger and packed that all over my lid area. And I guess that's why she put the concealer shade, so you can just apply it and it will stay. Still, you guys, very beautiful shades. And everything went out amazing, such a beautiful color. And then of course we needed to intensify the eye, so I just went in with Love Bite and applied that in the outer corner. So overall, you guys, a really beautiful palette. No complaints about it, just except the price and also the concealer shade. She needs more intense shadows here, because I wanted this to be a little bit more smoky and sexy, you know, since it's like the nude palette. So I really wanted a dark brown shade. I feel like that one will be perfect, and even for the darker beauties out there, you know, we need a darker shade. So that's my only complaint about it. Well, only my 2 complaints about it, about this palette. It's still such a beautiful palette, beautiful packaging, just the price tag. I don't know guys, if you have the money, then it's worth it. If you don't have it, don't you worry about it, because I saw there's a dupe out there and I did end up getting my hands on it, so I will have a video on that soon. I also bought primers. You guys recommended me to try this primer right here, and I ended up picking it up. It's crazy how some of you told me that in my last video and I already had it. It's crazy. So this one is the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. I have heard such amazing things about this primer. I do believe it's $30, which is not that expensive, but it is high-end. You know, it's just not that high-end price, like 50 or 40. So I do think the price is right, and that's what it looks like once it's out of the container. It's just a green primer. So this says it's just an oil-free, silicone-free, green tinted formula, goes on clear to work across all skin tones and type. I believe this just helps your makeup stay in place, and I did see some reviews on Sephora that someone with oily skin said this is amazing because it made their makeup last a lot longer. And ya ustedes saben that I have oily skin, so anything that's gonna keep my makeup on longer, I will try it and buy it. So I ended up applying this today for my makeup, and I liked it. So I just went in with 2 pumps in the back of my hand, and then I just went ahead and applied it on my skin. Right away, you guys, I started feeling it, that it started to get tacky, which meant it was perfect time to apply my foundation. So I just went in with my regular foundation. I wanted to be all, you know, expensive for this video, so I pulled out my Huda Beauty foundation that I love, and that's what I applied today on my skin. And honestly, you guys, my skin is pretty mad. Everything went in perfect. I have nothing bad to say. I liked how it was tacky. This primer is super tacky, which is perfect because I feel like my foundation is gonna stick to that, you know, like glue, so it will move around. But I do not know how it's gonna wear throughout the day. I'll let you guys know in a new video or something, or I'll write it down below, but I'll keep you guys updated in this primer. So after that primer, I decided to try another one. I didn't use it for today's video, but I'll make sure to use it throughout this week. This is the First Aid Beauty Pores Be Gone Matte Primer, Oil Free. It's a safe for sensitive skin. So this is again another mattifying primer. This primer claims to be a lot of good things in the Sephora website. Let's see, it says Pore Be Gone Matte Primer creates a smooth looking complexion that appears pore free and flawless for makeup or no makeup days. This primer was really promising. It says that it's gonna get rid of the pores in your skin, it's gonna keep you matte, and it just sold me. When those words are together, I'm gonna definitely try it out. And this one is $28, I believe, and this one's $30. So I just wanted to try them both out. But yeah, I don't know, you guys, this one feels more like a lotion. I tried it out in the store and then I ordered it online. Does anybody else does that? I go to the store and I don't buy anything, and then I just order it online. I don't know if that's weird. So see, this is what it looks like. It's more like a lotion, and the other one's more like a gel and tacky. This one's just like the regular primer. So I don't know if this is gonna work. It does have a smell to it. I don't really know what it smells like, but definitely has a scent to it, and it feels really smooth. So now it's time to move on to the face. I wanted to try out a new powder foundation. You guys already know I love my MAC one, and it's like the best thing ever. I have bought this ever since I was a kid, so I wanted to give this one a try. This is the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin 12-Hour Powder. I picked this up in the shade Y345. It's a little bit too cool for me. Let me know what you guys think. I did went ahead and zoom the camera so you guys can see it a little bit better. I don't know about the pore blurring thing. It does claim to be the next generation mattifying foundation that blurs imperfections for 12 hours and leaves a second skin finish. I do agree in the second skin finish. It doesn't look cakey at all, and it looks pretty under the eyes. But I don't know if it does anything different than even my LA Girl one. The LA Girl powders are super good and super affordable. And honestly, I don't see a dramatic difference on how my skin looks like. So I find it to be alright. And I feel like the color, it is a little bit too cool for me. So this powder foundation, I am going to return it because I don't think it's worth $38. Like $38. Girl, bye. So I'm gonna go and return this. I don't like it, you guys. I just do not see any difference, and I can see it right away. So yeah, this is nice, but I'm returning this product. And then I went ahead and finally, you guys, tried the Fenty Beauty bronzers. So I didn't want to spend the $30. I think that's how much it costs. I don't know how much they are, but I did not want to spend that money. So when I saw that they were having this little set for $24, I was like, let me give it a try now. So this is the Fenty Beauty Little Bronze Duo. And this one, I bought it in the light shade. They have 2 shades available. I feel like she can definitely expand them, but I get it. She wants you to purchase the full-size one. So you get the color Shady Biz and Cinnamon. Man, these names. So for the bronzer, I went ahead and applied it, and honestly the color is freaking beautiful. This works for my skin tone. I knew the other one was going to be a little bit too dark. I'm pretty sure I can still make it work. This one works for me, and it's just a beautiful bronzer. It is like matte, and they're not that pigmented, which is perfect if you want that smooth finish in your face. You know, more pigmented bronzers can give you that splotchy bronzer effect. So I really like this bronzer. I do like it, you guys. I didn't know I was gonna like it this much, but I do. It's a nice bronzer. It blends amazing in the skin. You do not get any harsh product in your cheeks. It doesn't emphasize the pores. It just blends out beautiful. When it comes to the matchstick, this is a little bit too dark for my skin tone. I feel like she should have done something different. Instead of making it a highlighter shade, she should have done the matte ones that she has, and I feel like that would have worked better because it could have been like cream contouring and then setting it with this one, you know. But yeah, this is just a highlighter. I did apply a little bit on my cheeks. Don't like it, too dark for me, and you know, I'm just not gonna use this. This is the only thing I don't like from it. So other than that, I still like this color a lot in Shady Biz. The last two things that I bought are perfume and for the hair. So you know when you get like the mail from the Sephora catalog or even Ulta, they give you those little papers with the perfume sent to it. Well, I was smelling them. I never do. This is why you shouldn't, because then you're gonna go buy the perfume. But that's the reason they do it. I was smelling it and I fell in love with it, so I had to go buy it. The fragrance I'm talking about is the Daisy Marc Jacobs perfumes. You guys, I have never smelled this perfume before, and I know it's like a popular one. So I decided to buy this little set right here because I felt like it was a better deal. The full size of the Daisy is like $84. Girl, no, you know, we're not doing that price here. So I just decided to go with the travel size versions of it. And this set was really good because you get 3 of them, and one of them is already $27. And I think I got this for $40, which is not bad because I saved a lot of money. So this is the Daisy scent. Oh my god, it smells so good, you guys. It smells so clean and fresh, and this is just spring and summer. Like spring and summer, I am ready for, well, summer, I am ready for you because we're already in the spring. This smells amazing. You all need to go and smell this scent. Please go and smell it, and please let me know what you guys think. It smells amazing. Okay, so the last product I want to talk to you guys about is this one. This one is by Olaplex. Olaplex. Who knows? This is the N6 number 6 Bond Smoother. It's a leave-in reparative. I cannot say anything. What is this called? Reparative styling cream. This is why I freaking hated to read out loud in class, because I always get stuck in my words. I hated it, you guys. Every time I would just want to go and leave class because I hated reading out loud. But anyway, so this takes away the frizz, hydrates and protects, so it says. A lot of people love this brand. I have tried the whole set, and for me it really didn't do much, keeping it honest. For my sister though, she absolutely loves it. She has more of that like curly hair that it's more hard to straighten, you know what I mean? Mine is curly, but I can easily straighten it and it'll stay straight. For her, she will have a little bit of frizz, and she absolutely loves the whole set. So I wanted to try this one out. You know, we're both gonna use it. Let's see who and for who it works better. So this one, I believe you do it after you shower, you apply it and then you straighten your hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and see how it works. And I saw Kathleen Lights recommending this in her VIP sale recommendations haul, I think it was, or her recommendations in general, and I was, you know, writing them down and I wanted to try this out. So yeah guys, that's all I have for today's video. That was my Sephora haul. Let me know if you guys picked up anything from the sale. This is all I picked up, and this is the look I created using what I bought. Definitely am super excited to see which primer I like better, which one's gonna hold my makeup better, especially for this hot heat that is coming in Texas. I'm pretty sure where you live too. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, let you all go. Thank you so much for taking time of your day to watch this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys want more hauls, or you know, give it a thumbs up if you like this video. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. That's okay. And I'm gonna go ahead, let you all go. Thank you so much for taking time of your day, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.